Sync test, take one. We're testing sync with the Arriflex 16BL, the Niagara 42L recording, the Electro-Voice, the Sony ECM 50 microphone, testing 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do a series of 30-second takes with head and tail slates as well as polytone start mark, testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting ready for a tail slate on the first test, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, testing, cut. Mark it. Good morning, America. Do you feel rotten? What you need is Shackley, step-by-step to beautiful skin. Right here, Shackley can do it. I guarantee if for any reason a Shackley product is not satisfactory, return it to your Shackley distributor or Shackley Corporation for exchange or full refund.
Tail slate.
Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Tail slate. Cut. Mark it. Sync test, take 3. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing the Arriflex 16BL camera with the Niagara 42L recorder, working on polytone. Kendall Wilson on camera, Dennis Kreider on sound. Testing with the Sony ECM 50 microphone. It's right here. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing the Arriflex 16BL polytone system, working with the variable speed attachment on-off switch. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. This is take 3, sync test, end slate. Cut. Take 4, head slate. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing the Arriflex 16BL. Working with the usual. Panasonic just slightly ahead of our time. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing with the Arriflex 16BL. The Niagara 42L recorder. Testing the polytone system to resolve the tracks and see if we have synced up tracks. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be a black and white test. Mr. George Stevenson will process. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you remember to set your f-stop?
Yes.
Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. T-stop at a T4. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. American Cinematographer Manual. Bell and Howell. Filmovera attachment. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Nearing the end of sync test, take 4. Tail slate.